All right, welcome to the FMI Show. Coming back from our little hiatus. We're gonna first start off, kind of look at some charts real quick, kind of a couple of things we're looking at in the markets, and then we'll go back into NFTs. We got some projects we want to do some updates on. So let's get started. All right, so the first one we're going to bring up is Bitcoin, and pretty much what I'm looking at right now, we are holding the 20-day moving average as resistance. Could I see this wick down? I mean, your first level of support from here is going to be trying to maybe test the 50-day moving average, which is around 28.9 right now. We are printing a green 9, which if you look on the daily, the last couple times we did print this green 9, we did have some reversals. We had one here, and we had one here. But you know, if you look, we had more of kind of like a dragonfly doji here, and we also had like a hammer here. So we see what this candle is going to play out as once, because we're still working on this candle at the time of this video. So could we turn this into something that looks a little more like the signs of reverse trend? But I'm kind of bullish that we're printing a green 9 right now. Things are cooling off a little bit in the other indicators, so we could see this wick down and then go back up here maybe by the end of this weekend. We'll see. All right, so we got ADA up right now. We're looking at the chart. We are getting a little bit of a bullish cross right here with the 20-day moving average crossing the 50, which is always good. And you know, as of right now, the other indicators are looking kind of hot still, so I'm not seeing this to shoot back up. If we do, we're going to hit a level of resistance around that 33 cents and the big one at 37. And reason why this is a big one is because you can scroll back. We were using this as a level of resistance for a while back here, so I would see that one going to be the hardest one to cross. If you know, if we get back up there, probably take something big to get back up there with all the indicators still being kind of hot. So probably without any big news, we'll probably trade sideways for a little bit, maybe retest averages for here for a little while. All right, and we do have some news that the SEC is looking to, signals the appeal to the Ripple ruling in response to the Terra case. And this is just some news that's coming out that might keep some uneducated people second guessing. Do they want to buy in right now? If they want to hold out, you know, not financial advice. I'm just, as of right now, I'm pretty much just sticking to, you know, my favorite coins that I feel very confident in. For the majority, I'm just sticking with Bitcoin right now. I get ADA here and there, mainly because I'm into NFTs a lot. So, and we support the cnft community. So that's where a lot of our investments going right now, just until things settle out. You know, some of that can look a little strange, how we just had like some pretty good runs ups in the altcoins, and Bitcoin was just kind of trading sideways. You know, my opinion, maybe they were trying to get people to kind of bounce out of Bitcoin a little bit back into altcoins a little too soon to maybe get a better position for themselves. You know, you always kind of got to have that conspiracy theory a little bit when it comes to some of the news articles that come out, and the timing. All right, so let's jump into some CNFT project updates. So right now we have the Zataku Dragons. They did just do a payout the other day if you are a holder and had enough to get a share. Some of us did pretty good. So they just did the payout, I think it was like last week, for their holders. So they're still working, doing their thing. So definitely a good, just want to do a shout out to them and say good job, guys. Keep up the good work. All right, so the next project is Zesty Zebras. They still are out here working, and they have just released some of their merch. So definitely go by, check them out. I think they're doing pretty good. We're actually going to be doing a giveaway in this video for a Zesty Zebra. So watch this video to the end, because we'll tell you how you can enter that. All right, so the next project is Degenerats. They have done a great job rebuilding. This is a community rebuild. In other words, the founder stepped away, community stepped in, started rebuilding the project. They got a new roadmap up. Definitely recommend them. We're going to be doing a Twitter giveaway with them. So we're going to be giving away a mutant degenerate. We'll show you that here in a minute. But let's go and actually look and see how they're doing on the store here. All right, so we're gonna bring up and look at Degenerat's floor right now, and as of right now, we do have some buys coming in. It's mainly around that 30 ADA range. We had a pretty big buy the other day at 169 for one. That was just a couple days ago. You got to think these guys have built back. I think it got down as low as 5 ADA, so I think they're doing an excellent job. Great group of guys that we've talked to, and definitely go and check them out on Twitter and get in their Discord. They're doing a lot of fun stuff. So we definitely support them, and we're going to be giving away one of their mutants on Twitter. So we'll put a link to, so you'll be able to go and check that out. All right, so the next project we want to bring up is QR Dano. They just did a Twitter space the other day, talked about their QR paper. You know, this is where QR codes meet storytelling meets digital collectibles. This is a project I still don't think it's getting enough attention in the space, so definitely go back in. This was a recorded Twitter space, so go back in and listen to that. Hey, and leave us a comment and tell us what you think. We're pretty bullish on them. I like everything I was listening to, so definitely go and check them out. Give them a shot. All right, so that is that for them. All right, so let's start the contest stuff. So this is from the Zesty Zebras. We're going to be giving that away, and all you have to do to enter is just put in your ADA handle if you have it, or your Twitter handle, so we can get a hold of you, and we're going to pick one of those by the end of the week and reveal it at the next video. All right, this is the next one we're going to give away. This one here, you're going to go to Twitter and you're going to follow me, Florida Man Investing, and we're going to have this put up. I'll put a link into the description of this video just to take you to that post we'll put up as after we release this video. So, and that's just going to be a traditional Twitter giveaway. So it's going to be a like, retweet, tag a few friends, and that's it. All right, now we got one more thing. All right, so this is our big announcement. So this is a new ADA handle that's right now in my personal wallet. We're going to be moving it to another wallet once we get our personal project going. This is going to be something that's going to help everyone in our community. So we're going to have our own NFT, and we're going to have it where all the money that comes from this channel and our Twitter account, we're going to probably get Twitter Blue so we can start generating income there. And we're going to take all our profits from this channel and put in this wallet. And if you own one of the NFTs that we have, you're going to get access to that. We'll figure out later on how we're going to just, disperse the income, and we can vote on it as a community if we're going to reinvest some of it into other projects, or if we're going to take it and pay out, do it as kind of a DAO style for vote for if we're going to reinvest it or take profits. We're pretty excited about this. We like to give back to community. That's what this whole channel has been about the whole time. It's not about me earning enough to drive a Lambo. I want everyone to drive a Lambo. So we're going to succeed together. I think this is a great idea, and I haven't seen too many places done this as not as a temporary thing. This is going to be a full-time thing. This isn't going to be just for a month or until I can get monetized. This is going to be as long as Florida Man Investing exists. This is going to be an active project. All right, that's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the links. I want to put some links down for the giveaways. Remember to enter both of those, and we'll catch you next time.